Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Namhlanje ngifisa ukuba sibuke ivangeli lika Lucas, Luke chapter 24 from verse 36. Ngiyafisa ukuba sibuke le ndaba. As they were talking about these things, Jesus himself stood among them and he said to them, "Peace to you." But they were startled and frightened and thought they were seeing a ghost. And he said to them, "Why are you troubled? Why do you doubt? Arise in your heart. See my hands and my feet, that it is I myself. Touch me and see. For his spirit doesn't have flesh and bones, as you see that I have." Lana uJesu thandwa zami, it is an incident after the resurrection. It is an incident the last time bembona ubelenga esiphambanweni. Mhlawumbe into yokuqala ngifuna ukuthi konke kuyenzeka kuNkulunkulu. That's your word for today. Konke kuyenzeka kuNkulunkulu. Konke kuyenzeka kuNkulunkulu. Ayikho into engenzeki kuNkulunkulu. Bona bamgcine elenga esiphambanweni. Bamgcine abantu bekhala. Bamgcine ethukwa abantu bonke. Bahamba babaleka baya eEmmaus. Abanye babuyela ukuyodoba. Uma esefika phambi kwabo abakholwa. Ngifuna ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi you don't have to understand how things will turn out. Kwesinye isikhathi njengabazali sekulelwa abantwana bethu. Kwesinye isikhathi njengabazali siyaxabana, omunye adube. Kwesinye isikhathi njengabazali siphelelwa imisebenzi. Kwesinye isikhathi siyagula. Uhlale phansi uyibuza ukuthi kodwa Nkosi kuzokwenzeka kanjani? Kodwa Nkosi ngizothathani ngihlanganise nani? Kodwa Nkosi uma sekunjena kumele ngenze njani? Funa ukuthi izwi lanamhlanje konke kuyenzeka. Akukho ongenzeki kuNkulunkulu. Usho njalo uma uMaria ekhuluma nengilozi, mayithi ingilozi nomnewenu nesihlobo sakho uElizabeth in her old age has conceived. Athi uMaria kwenzeke kanjani lokho? Ngoba ngiyamazi, ngoba ngiyamazela. Ithi ingelosi, nothing is impossible with God. And I want you to write that. Nothing is impossible with God. Akukho ongenzeki uNkulunkulu. And ngiyafisa ithandwa zami ukuba nihlale with that greater reality. That nothing is impossible with God. That God makes all things work together for those who trust in Him. Ngokuba uNkulunkulu wenza konke kusebenzelane kube kuhle kulaba abamthembayo. What fascinates me is that Jesus walks into their midst. And the only words he says are the words of peace. ukuthula makube kunina, ukuthula makube seyinhlizweni zethu, ukuthula makube seyingqondweni zethu, ukuthula makube emakhaya ethu, ukuthula makube emsebenzini yethu. May the peace of God reign in our lives. Noma kungaphithiza kanjani, noma kunganomsindo onjani, noma kungaxokozela kanjani, as long as unokuthula enhlizweni yakho, unakho konke. Let me say that again. Noma kungaphithiza kanjani, noma kungaxokozela kanjani, noma kungaliwa kanjani, as long as unokuthula enhlizweni yakho, you have everything. Kwesinye isikhathi siyayicele uNkulunkulu, Nkosi ngicela uthulise umsindo, Nkosi ngicela usilethele isombululo, Nkosi ngicela kungabi khona ukuxabana, Nkosi ngicela ingabi khona ichaos. Maybe kwesinye isikhathi fanele sithi Nkosi, in the midst of it all, ngicela ungiphe ukuthula enhlizweni yami. And ithandwa zami, my experience has always been, once uNkulunkulu wakunikeza ukuthula, ayikho into ekuphazamisayo emphefumulweni. Ngoba ukuthula akunika kona kudlula wonke umsindo nokuxokozela nengxabano. Usho njalo namhlanje umntaka Maria, uthi ukuthula makube kuwena. Ngifisa ukukhuluma nomuntu obesefuna ukushiya emsebenzini, athi ngeke mina ngikwazi ukuyimela lento, athi mina ngeke bayangihlukumeza. Ngithi mina uma ushiya la, awukho umsebenzi onawo nje, uyohlala ekhaya. Uma usuka la, uyohlala ekhaya, nemadlana ozophuma nayo ngeke kulaste. Maybe instead yokuthi udube, ukhale, ufuna ukuphuma, cela uNkulunkulu akunikeze ukuthula. Ukuthi Nkosi ngicela ukuthula enhlizweni yami. Uyabona, I am always fascinated by lendoda ekuthiwa uJesu. I mean, uJesu ungena emkhunjini, everyone is in a panic. They think they are dying. Yena, he is fast asleep. It demands a great level of peace to navigate through the storm without being harmed by it. It demands a great level of peace to see things fall apart all around you and you still remain standing. It demands a great level of peace ukubona izitha zakho zizitshela ukuthi ziwinile empilweni yakho and wena awunanzondo enhlizweni yakho. It demands a level of inner peace to sit at table with abantu abakuzondayo and ubahlekise from the bottom of your heart. It demands a level of great peace. And yona engicela uNkulunkulu asiphe yona. Nkosi siphe ukuthula enhlizweni zethu. Now, uJesu does something absolutely amazing. They are in disbelief. It cannot be inkosi le. Spoke lesi because they do not know this is possible. Sebekhohliwe. Now, uJesu uthi bukani amanxeba ami. And this is where the difference lies. That you can experience so much peace without faking it. You can experience so much love without faking it. Uthi uJesu bukani amanxeba ami. Uthi athinteni manifuna ukwathinta. I have flesh. He opens the wounds. He invites them to the reality. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngilahlekelwe ingane. Ngiyazi ukuthi umsebenzi ungilahlekele ngenxa yakho. Ngiyazi ukuthi umshado wami uphela ngenxa yakho, but I'm still at peace. Angikuzondi. But ngikufisela konke okuhle. That's the most beautiful peace. For me, it's one of those principles where I say it is self-actualization. You have come to self-actualization, where you are able to wish well to your enemy and still be peaceful about every other thing. Then there's something else engithandayo. Verse 14. And when he had said this, he showed them his hands and his feet. And while they were still in disbelief for joy, they were marveling. He said to them, have you anything here to eat? They gave him a piece of broiled fish, and he took it, and he ate it. Then he said to them, these are my words that I spoke to you while I was still with you, that everything written about me in the law of Moses and the prophets and the Psalms must be fulfilled. Thandwa zami kunezinto azenzayo ezingithintayo. The first one, he says, do you have anything I can share with you? Ispoke asidli kodwa uvukile ekufeni uyadla. Do you have anything I can share with you? Now this is deeper, because uJesu uthi, I'm willing to share a meal with you. Anginizondi, anginibambela amaqhubu, sengidlulile. I'm fascinated ekutheni akababuza ukuthi benikiphi. Uyakhumbula evangelini lika Johannes uyambuza uPetrus uthi weSimon kaJohn uyangithanda? But in Luke he doesn't. He doesn't ask whether you love me or not. He doesn't ask whether you are sorry or not. He doesn't ask ukuthi, why did you abandon me? Why did you run away? He does not ask that. He says, do you have something to eat? Do you have something I can share with you? And as they sit, as they break bread, he says to them, do you remember what I taught you while I was still with you? Kunezinto abazali bethu ababefuna ukusifundisa zona besaphila. Kunempilo abazali bethu ababesifisela yona besaphila. Do you still remember it? Ngoba namhlanje siyayidinga. Lo mndeni uyayidinga. Leli bandla liyayidinga. Khona into ekumele singayikhohlwa. Zibalekile imfundiso abasishiyela zona besaphila. Uyabona khona kweminye imizi la ozwa khona kushiwo ubaba wayengayithandi lento, ugogo wayengayifuni lento, umama wayengazwani nokuthi. Athe mzini ke wabazali bami ngenikwenze lokho. Thandwa zami, ibalekile leyo nto yokuqonda ukuthi ababengakufuni bephila ngeke bakufune sebeshonile. Ababengakuthandi kuthina namanje abakuthandi. Yona nkonzo ekumele siye kuyona siyocela amandla kaNkulunkulu. But then uJesu takes this further. Uthi niyakhumbulani ngathini okwabhalwa abaprofete, okwabhalwa uMose, okwabhalwa ngamahubo. Uthi kwakuswelekile ukuba kwenzeke. Kunenkonzo ehleli enhlizweni yami ethi kunezinto okuswelekile ukuba mazenzeke. Kunezinto okuswelekile ukuba sidlule kuzona. Uyabona ithandwa zami, ayikho into edlula ukwamukela. Njengesidalwa esingumuntu sibizelwe kuleyo nkonzo yokwamukela. Ukuthi nalokhu kuswelekile ukuba kwenzeke. Nalokhu kuswelekile ukuba ngikufunde. Nalokhu kuswelekile ukuba ngiphiliswe ngakho. Yona nkonzo ebalulekile. Yona nkonzo esiphilisayo. Yona nkonzo esinikeza umusa. Uyabona sisebancane kwakukhona into esasifundiswa yona. Inkonzo yokwamukela. Babesho kahle abazali ukuthi niyabona abantu bami la isekhaya. Yikini leli. Ongenakho akukho. Onakho unakho. Musa ukufuna ongenakho. Musa ukufuna ukuya kulo yamuzi ngoba uyitshela ukuthi banokuthi nokuthi akhona okwakho, akhona okwakini. Wena funda ukwaneliswa unakho. Yabona, in looking back, that was probably one of the most important lessons in life. Uyabona, angenze umzekeliso. Kunabantu abaseyikweletini namhlanje. Because abanye babo are living a lifestyle they cannot afford. Abanye, it's not even a financial bankruptcy abanayo. No. Bayathengelwa bakhokha ngoqobo lwabo. And so you realize ukuthi waze wamuhle ngaphandle. Ukuthole kanjani? What did I have to lose to acquire, to attain lokhu nalokhu. Inkonzo esishayile ile yokuphila beyond our means. Inkonzo esishayile is to have a lifestyle I cannot fund. And so, if sekufika omunye umuntu, I expect ukuthi ayifande le lifestyle yami. Uma sekushona abazali, I expect ama guardians ayifande le lifestyle yami. That's not life. Akuyona impilo. Yabona sibancane, it was one of the greatest lessons. Funda ukwamukela. Esinakho sinakho. Esingenakho asinakho. Futhi ngeke senze isikweletu ukuze sijabulise wena njengengane ngento esingayibudgetelanga. And when you look at that principle, it's something we should be living even as adults. Uyabona khona abazali abangena ezikweletini ngoba basaba abantwana babo. Ngihlezi ngithi mina kwesinye isikhathi as parents we overcompensate. Sigcina sesinikeza abantwana izinto ngoba siyahluleka ukubanikeza uthando, teachings and direction. Let me say that again. Sigcina sesinikeza abantwana izinto ngoba siyahluleka ukubanikeza uthando, teaching and direction. Sometimes abantwana bethu, we just need to teach them and give them love and give them direction. Because you soon realize ukuthi it's not always about money. Yes, imali ibalulekile. Kodwa principles are far more greater than imali. Principles will help us even in the future. And so that for me becomes something of greater importance. Uyabona khona abazali abaseyikweletini because of abantwana bethu. Iproblem kwesinye isikhathi asifundanga ukunqabela abantwana. Uyabona sisakhula abazali babesinqabela nento even ikhona. And when you look back, it's the greatest gift and teaching. Ingane uboyinqabela into noma ikhona. I mean, a basic principle, wawuzwa ngomzali if mhlabe unithengele into, whether a pack of chips or sweets or whatever, or chocolates, obvious umzali unithengelile yonke lento iningi, ufuna nidle ni enjoy. Thina kusesoyibhubhudla uzozwa ngegama elilodwa athi kanti kufanele yini kuphele konke namhlanje. Nanka lama chip, what do you call this, lama biscuits lawa vama ukudliwa around Christmas, choice assorted. They're always in a bulk. Umuzwa umzali ethi kanti konke yini fanele kuphele ngosuku. Nina nizodla ama chips, nina nizodla ukuthi nidle ukuthi. Le ndifana nomuntu osemdala wenza sandwich, uzifaka iqanda, upoloni, ucheese, irashiyeni, ibeka, ama schnitzel, aqhubeke. One person. Uzobuza umzali ukuthi kanti kumele yini kuphele konke namhlanje. Yazi lento ibonakala kuthina kwesinye isikhathi ezabantu abamnyama. thina abantu abamnyama asinqeni ukuthi masine braai, asinqeni masine braai ebese sizobraya i-chicken, i-beef, i-lamb, i-pork, ama-sausage, whatever. And sokudla sikudle and kuzosala okuningi emapletini and sokulahla. But umbuzo wami uthi yonke lenyama sesi waste namhlanje, did we have to do it? No. And it's one of the conversations we need to have, saving and investing. Sithi siZulu isisu esihle esibonwa yilanga. And part of that goes with principles. Now, uJesu uyangithinta uma eseqhubeka. Athi, thus it was written that Christ should suffer and on the third day rise from the dead, and that repentance for the forgiveness of sin should be proclaimed in his name to all nations, beginning to Jerusalem. Yambona khona lento ayenzayo. Uthi kwakuswelekile ukuba ngife kodwa ngivuke ukuze abantu bathethelelwe izono zabo. Bekubalekile ukuba uKristo afe ukuze mina nawe sibe nokuphila okuphakade. Bekubalekile ukuba uNkulunkulu afe avuke ukuze alesule icala lami. Bekubalekile ukuba uNkulunkulu afe avuke ukuze asuse ihlazo emehlweni ethu. Bekubalekile ukuba uKristo afe avuke ukuze abantwana bethu bazane noNkulunkulu. Bekubalekile ukuba uKristo afe avuke ikhona ngelinye ilanga siyombona uNkulunkulu ubuso nobuso. Yabona khona lenkonzo yokufa nokuvuka kaJesu Kristo esathola ngakho ukusindiswa. Khona lenkonzo yokufa kwenkosi yethu Jesu Kristo esathethelelwa ngayo izono zanganeno. Khona lenkonzo yokufa kwenkosi yethu Jesu Kristo esahlengwa ngayo maqedane safumana umusa. Khona lenkonzo yokufa kwenkosi yethu Jesu Kristo eyaqeda ikweletu zasendulo. Khona lenkonzo yenkosi yethu Jesu Kristo yokufa nokuvuka kwayo eyahlanganisa isidalwa esingumuntu noNkulunkulu wakhe. Khona lenkonzo yokufa kwenkosi yethu Jesu Kristo athi obhala kahle athi ngimile ayingokwazi nokuqonda nokuhlakanipha kodwa ngimile ngenxa yenkonzo yokuhawukelwa. Khona lento uNkulunkulu okwangimela ukuba yenze impilweni zethu, khona izulu liyoqonda ukuthi angimile ngoba nginamandla kodwa ungimisile ungamandla ami. Sho njalo ngelinye ilanga umpostoli Paul uthi ngenza konke ngoKristo onginqobelayo. Ngenza konke ngoKristo ongamandla ami. Ngenza konke ngoKristo owazi konke. Kubalekile leyo nkonzo. Yabona ithandwa zami, ngifuna ukuthi kuswelekile ukuthi ufe uvuke. Khona inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu izobonakala. If kuukuthi kumele ugule, kulungile. Methemba uNkulunkulu ukuthi nalesi sifo asibizelwe ukufa kwakho. Uma kuukuthi abantwana bakho kumele baxakeke, kulungile. Bathukwe, kulungile. Bangasebenzi, kulungile. Kodwa wena yazi ukuthi lezi inhlupheko ezesikhashana. Yabona khona into ehlezi senhlizweni yami. Khona into ebukeka iyimbi emehlweni abantu kanti isibusiso esicashile esivela kuNkulunkulu. Akuve kubalulekile ukufunda imimoya. Akuve kubalulekile ukumethemba uNkulunkulu. Yabona ithandwa zami, wayengaqamba manga uSimon Petrus, wayengahlanyi futhi uma ethi Nkosi siyakuya kubani, lokho amazwi okuphila ekuwena. Uma ngisuka kuwena ufuna ngikuba. Wayengagangi uMose uma eyotshela uNkulunkulu emehlweni ukuthi uma wena Nkosi ungabasizi labantu, uyazini ukuthi izwe lizohleka wena. Wena Nkosi uhlekisa ngalabantu, uyazi yini ukuthi izwe lizobuza ukuthi kanti ubekephi lo uNkulunkulu ebeniqhosha ngaye kangaka. Thandwa zami, akuve kubalekile kumina leyo nkonzo yokusho yokwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu nakulokhu uzonqoba, nakulokhu uzozidlulisa, nakulokhu uzosiza. Umethembe omdala weinsuku ebese eshiya igama elihle nengilithandayo, athi ukuze kuthethelelwe izono niqale la eJerusalem. Yangithinta le ngoba iJerusalema ila chitheke khona igazi. Kwesinye isikhathi ubobona umuntu olimala emgaqweni wopha, omunye osale lapho, imizi ngemizi ihlukileke kodwa abanye bayahamba bayomlanda. Kodwa khona inkonzo engiyithandayo nengihloniphayo, zazethi insizwa mawukuthi beyidlala kwakhona umshayayo ophe omunye, abantu abadala babehlakaniphile. Insizwa zayithathana zambe ziyemfuleni ziyogezana amanxeba. Asakwenzi lokho manje. Alisagezwe igazi elichithekile. Yabona mawufuna ukunderstanda itheology of a spilled blood, hamba kuGenesis chapter 4. Mawufuna ukunderstanda ukuthi uthini uNkulunkulu ngegazi elichithekile lawele emhlabathini. Uthi mekhuluma noKhayini athi igazi lomfowenu athi liyakhala emhlabathini. A spilled blood, igazi elichithekile liyakhala emhlabathini. Ushone umfowenu, lichithwe yini igazi lakhe? Yabona khona abanye bethu esixakwe ukuthi kwachitheka igazi asaze salihlambulula. Kwachitheka igazi asaze sal-ownapha ukuthi sengenze into engavumelekile. Uthi uNkulunkulu igazi lomfowenu liyakhala emhlabathini. uthi uJesu kuthina namhlanje siyayiswela inkonzo yoxolo, kodwa ayiqala eJerusalem, ayiqala enxebeni, ayiqale la ekuphophoze khona igazi lami, ayiqale la engilimele khona. Seyiswela leyo nkonzo ethathwa zami. Awukwazi ukukhuluma ngoxolo ungaqalanga enxebeni. Hamba enxebeni, hamba la ulimele khona, bokwenza ukuthula kuleyo ndawo. Hamba ulibuke inxeba ukuthi yes ngilimele Nkosi, kodwa namhlanje ngiyadlula, namhlanje ngishiya konke kuwena, namhlanje ngicela Nkosi iphele le ndaba. Ingakho abantu abadala ababekhulile behlakaniphile babethi inxeba liyagezwa, babethi isikhali siyavalwa, ngoba ukwazi ukushiya inxeba libhibha kuzolimala abantu. Namhlanje uJesu sisendaweni esingayazi, esingayijwayele, esingakaze siqonde ukuthi ambani noqala enxebeni, ambani nohlambulula. Ingakho kweminye imizi akuyona into enhle uma ingane ishaye umzali kwaze wopha, ingane zandawonye ilimazene kwaze kwachitheka igazi. Jesu namhlanje unginika enye inkonzo, uthi uxolo kumele liqale la, uthi uxolo kumele liqale ngokuthi siyogeza leli nxeba. Thandwa zami, inxeba into ejulile, ngoba inxeba liyakwazi ukuba wound, a physical wound, but inxeba also liyakwazi ukuba invisible wound, inxeba elisenhlizweni. Wangilimaza usibanibani, wathatha iy'ngane zami wangiphuca zona. Khona abazali abaphucwa iy'ngane zabo ngoba bengenamali, ngoba bexakekile, ngoba bengasebenzi. Omunye uthola ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe ayinakho ukuthula ngoba mina ngingenalutho. Iy'ngane zami namhlanje ayingazi nanokuthi ngubani. Nenxeba ahleli kulona, ashone, akekho ofuna ukuligeza lelo nxeba. Ukuthi namhlanje siyamngcwaba usibanibani, kodwa thina njengomndeni samphuca abantwana bakhe. Thina njengomndeni sadecide ukuthi abantwana bakhe abangahlali kuyena. Thina njengomndeni sadecide ukuthi no, lona akangabatholi abantwana bashone. And siyamngcwaba umuntu singadlulanga kulelo nxeba, siyamngcwaba umuntu singalivalanga lelo nxeba naleso sikhali. Uthi uJesu namhlanje, there must be peace, but there must be forgiveness, but it must be first proclaimed from Jerusalem. Ayisuke yonke lento eJerusalema enxebeni. You are witnesses of these things. And behold, I am sending the promise of my Father upon you. But stay in the city until you are clothed with the power from on high. Ngithanda le ndaba. Bekani ngiyanithumela isithembiso sika Baba. Kepha hlalani emzini nize nembathiswe amandla avela phezulu. Yajula lenkulumo akhuluma ngayo manje. Uthi ningasuki eJerusalema nize nimbathiswa amandla amasha. Uyazi uJesu uyikhuluma lento after eseyolanda labafana ababili uCleopas nomngani wakhe bese bebalekile eJerusalem. Uthi bafana bami nibaleka kanjani ngoba phela ningakawathula amandla. wozani nizohlala la, wozani nizohlala la eJerusalem, ningabaleki. Wozani nize eJerusalema, ningabaleki. Because inamandla ekumele nimbathiswe wona. Don't run away from challenges. Don't run away from your challenges. Kunamandla okumele umbathiswe wona. Don't run away from things that are difficult. Kunamandla ekumele umbathiswe wona. Don't run away from the hot fire. Kunamandla ekumele umbathiswe wona. I often say the same boiling water that softens a potato hardens the egg. Wena amandla uzowathola ngenhlamba. Amandla uzowathola ngenhlupheko. Amandla uzowathola ngenyembezi. Khona abanye abantu behlezi bethi kungani mina izinto zami zihlezi kumele ngisebenze kanzima before ngiyithole. Kungani mina I need to struggle before I get somewhere in life. Ngoba wena isabelo sakho sithi uzombathiswa amandla, ngoba uhlobo lwamandla uNkulunkulu afuna ukukunika lona lutholakala ngenyembezi. Ngoba uhlobo lamandla uNkulunkulu afuna ukukunika lona lutholakala ngezikhwephe. Ngoba uhlobo lamandla uNkulunkulu afuna ukukunika lona kumele ulithola abantu sebekubalekele. Ngoba uhlobo lwamandla uNkulunkulu afuna ukukunika lona ulithola usujulukile. And that's the kind of power uNkulunkulu afuna ukukunika. Why ufuna ukuthola amandla angeke akwenzele lutho? Balekelelani amandla ayisabelo sakho? Balekelelani ukwembathiswa lokhu uNkulunkulu aziyo ukuthi you will need? Thandwa zami, athi umunye umuntu, I need a fork. Athi uNkulunkulu, I'm going to give you a fork. Agijima umuntu ayongena ekitchen ayothatha le fork esidla ngayo. Athi uNkulunkulu, that's fork, it's a fork, but it's not meant for you. Athi mina, the fork I want to give you is a garden fork. Athi omunye umuntu, no mina nkosi ngifuna le. Athi uNkulunkulu, kulungileke thatha. Athi hamba olima nansi insimu, a hectare. Uzoyilima kanjani insimu with an eating fork? Ngobalekelelani amandla uNkulunkulu afuna ukunika wona. Yes, azofika ngenyembezi, because the kind of power and the blessing uNkulunkulu afuna ukunika yona is so unique. Yes, azofika with challenges, because the kind of power uNkulunkulu afuna ukukunika yona is different. Methembe uNkulunkulu. Methembe uNkulunkulu. Uyazi yini ayenzayo ngawe. Thandwa zami, there is never a moment where God doesn't know what he's doing. There is never a moment. He knows everything. Imina nawe nje esingazi, but yena wazi konke. Uthi ningasuki eJerusalem. I wish people can believe that until umbathiswa amandla amasha. Ungasuki until umbathiswe amandla amasha. Ngiyafisa ukuthi uyenze leyo nkonzo. Ngeke ngisuke Nkosi. Noma ngathiwa kuna kanjani, noma ngathiwa ukunomoya onjani, uma wena Nkosi ungakasho ukuthi angisuke, ngicela ungasuki ngize ngibathiswe amandla amasha. Yazi lento ifana nomuntu who's baking a muffin. Please God, you can't bake a muffin for 5 minutes. Get your good 20-25 minutes, then we're gonna get a good muffin. Unganginikeza ujeli ka 2 minutes ngoba lo ujeli awukakasethi. Ungasuki until uthola amandla amasha. Ungabaleki until uthole amandla amasha. Methembe uNkulunkulu. Mengakasho ukuthi seku right. Mengakasho ukuthi kulungileke manje. Mengakasho ukuthi sengikwembathisileke manje. Methembe uNkulunkulu. Uyazini ukuthi inyembezi zakho uzoyisula? Uyazi yini ukuthi inyembezi zakho uzozisula na? Kwesinye isikhathi thina we think uNkulunkulu doesn't know what's going on in our lives. Usazi sonke one by one. And he even knows what is good and what is best for you. Athi umpostoli Pawuli athi ihlo alikakaboni nendlebe ayikezwa izinto uNkulunkulu asibekele zona. Ihlo alikakaboni nendlebe ayikezwa. Kodwa khona izinto uNkulunkulu asibekele zona. Don't move from your position. That's your word. Do not move from your position. Ungasuki endaweni yakho. Because when you move from your position, when the blessing comes, it knows the position. And mungaseko ngeke usayithola. Do not move from your position. Ungasuki endaweni yakho. Do not move from your position. Wait, linda. Uzumbathiswe amandla amasha. Uzunikezwe amandla because isithandwa sami uzowadinga in the next level. You know, I often said perishini, whatever I have gone through has been preparing me for my next stage. Whatever I've been through, whatever has happened, has prepared me for my next stage. Usho njalo uNkulunkulu ngelinye ilanga mekhuluma no Eliya umprofete wakhe uthi vuka udle. Adle lo athula athi sengisuthi athi uNkulunkulu okwesibili ngithe vuka udle ngoba yini indlela ozoyithatha. uNkulunkulu owaziyo ukuthi why ekunikeza lolu hlobo lokudla. uNkulunkulu owaziyo ukuthi why ekunikeza this kind of a training. uNkulunkulu owaziyo ukuthi why ek-expose to this kind of thinking. uNkulunkulu owaziyo why ek-invite into this kind of tables. Because uyazi kukhona ozokudinga for the next level of your life. Why ungamethemba uNkulunkulu? Then there's something absolutely powerful. And behold, I am with you. Verse 15. And he led them out as far as Bethany. Lifting up his hands, he blessed them. While he blessed them, he departed from them, and he was carried into heavens. And they worshipped him and returned to Jerusalem with great joy. And they were continually in the temple praising and blessing God. Ngithanda lento eyenziwa uNkulunkulu. Uthi esebatshelile ukuthi ningasuki ebese banikeza amandla okubekezela. That's my concluding and closing word. Mucela uNkulunkulu akunikeza amandla okubekezela. Ukuthi nginikeze Nkosi amandla to finish what you have started, to complete what you have begun, to bring to fruition what you have sowed. Umtshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi ngicela unginike amandla okukhulisa abantwana bami. Ngicela unginike amandla okuletha ukudla emndenini wami. Ngicela unginike amandla okuphetha lo msebenzi osunginikeza wona. Hayi thandwa zami, ahluleke uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uzosinikeza amandla amasha. uNkulunkulu uzosinikeza umusa wakhe. uNkulunkulu uzosenzela esingakwazi ukusenzela thina. Uzombona uNkulunkulu evusa izinto you never thought were possible. Uzombona uNkulunkulu ekweseka. And sometimes uzozuthi wena, hayibo Nkosi, I didn't know ukuthi this was possible. Hayibo Nkosi, kanti ubungihlelele into enje. Hayibo Nkosi, kanti ubungibizela into enje. Ngicela uNkulunkulu akunikeze amandla. Ngicela uNkulunkulu akunikeze uthando lokuthi Nkosi ngicela ukwenza okujabulisa inhliziyo yakho. And you will be amazed in what God will do. You will be amazed ukuthi uNkulunkulu yini asefuna ukuyenza empilweni yakho. You will be amazed. Methembe uNkulunkulu. Hlala kuye, uzohlala nawe. Embrace him. He will never abandon you. He will always be by your side. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu wabathatha. Kuyangithusa ke la uJesu. Uya nabo eBethani, adlule eBethani. Engane eBethani indawo yeyimangaliso nje. Ila afika avusa khona uLazarus ekufeni. Uyodlula eBethani. Uyobatshela ukuthi bafana bami, kuningi engikwenzile nani. Kuningi enisazokwenza futhi. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu welula izandla zakhe, wababusisa, maqedane wavalelisa. Ngithanda leyo nkonzo. Yabona ayikho into emnandi njengokubona umuntu esezohamba, esezogoduka, esezoshona, akubusise, abonge, athi mntanami ungenzele konke, ngiyabonga, sengiyahamba, maqedane agoduke. Ngimbona uJesu esebabusisa. Kwangathi angakubusisa nawe namhlanje. Kwangathi angaba nomusa. Kwangathi angakukhumbula. Kwangathi angakunika okuswelayo. Akuthi masiqala kusasa inkonzo yokuzila. Uqale sewusitholile isibusiso sikaNkulunkulu. Akuthi kusasa masithola umlotha, uthole sesisitholile isibusiso sikaNkulunkulu. Akuthi kusasa masingena kule nkonzo yokufuna uNkulunkulu, sifune uNkulunkulu esewuhambele umuzi wakho. uNkulunkulu akubusise ngakho konke okuswelayo, ngakho konke okudingayo, ngakho konke okuzokusiza empilweni yakho. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.